Hey students, I want to show you how to submit a document in a certain way. This is when you have a Microsoft Word document. Sometimes I'll post a Microsoft Word document and I want you to fill it in and send it back to me. There's different ways to do it, but in this course there's going to be one certain way to do it. And if you need to refer back to this video as kind of a reminder of the step-by-step ways to do it, then please feel free to do so. The assignment that we're going to look at is not a real assignment. It's just one for this video. So don't feel like you need to go find it and complete it. It's called 2 Facts About Me, the pretend assignment that we're looking at today. And when I went and clicked on the 2 Facts About Me, it took me to this page. It has the due date, it has the points, it has the dates in which the student has to complete it. Notice right here it shows 16 days. You're going to want to always go and look at stuff like that so that you can see how long that you have to complete an assignment. Now you could try different ways to try to get this assignment completed. I clicked right here on Edit Document. It says Edit, make quick changes right here using Word. Let's try it. All right, so for name, I went ahead and practiced this once, and I went ahead and put in my name, Miss Berry. List 2 facts about myself. I like animals. And let's see, I like coffee. Those are 2 things about me. All right, it was that easy. And guess what I have to do now to turn in my Word document? Click Submit. Boom. It was that easy to turn in a Word document in Canvas. I didn't have to go save my Word document anywhere. I didn't have to go put it in the cloud. All I had to do was click Edit and then submit it that way. So if you ever need to go back and re-watch this video, please do. It's going to be very helpful for you in your Cyber Foundations class.